All right, we have a 1981 Alfa Veloce Spider. This is a two-owner car. Both men bought the cars for their wives, and neither wives enjoyed the car. We have the original window sticker. We have the bill of sale, all the warranty booklets. We have services. The last gentleman was an active automobile enthusiast, and he knew how to take care of his cars. He's kept the car even though it was garaged and left to sit. He would annually take care of the car and do whatever it needed to keep it on its feet. A strong testimony to that last statement is he gave me this car to sell, and I didn't really drive it. I've had it on the market and I haven't really driven the car until our opportunity to take it to BAT. At that point, I needed to drive it so I could have testimony to how well it performed. When I did that, the car started well. It drove well. It was exciting to drive. One of the exciting things was that it was kind of a sleeping because it had been sitting around, and I'm driving on a country road. It drove strong, it felt strong, and then all of a sudden the car came alive. All the systems started to work, and it was as if it leapt forward, and I was going fast. I was just shocked how well this car moved and how well it responded. So I've driven it a few miles, and it's come alive, and it drives like a brand new Alfa Spider, which it should. And what a treat in 2020 to drive an Alfa Spider from 1981. It's like a new car. The car has 6,400 miles on it. It's an original paint car all the way around. There is no rust. Plenty of spider webs under the undercarriage when I picked it up. Only questionable area is this right front fender. There was some paint imperfections. You can't see it now. I can't see it now, but in a certain light you can see an inconsistency in the paint right here. I sure don't see it now, and I wouldn't have any anxiety about it. No record of any paint work done, so if it had been painted, it might have been done at port, or it just might have been something different that happened in the factory. Look at how nice all the gaps are. Look how straight it is. Of course, it's never been smoked in. Carpets still look brand new. We have the original tires for the car. These are not them. These are Michelin's, but we do have the original tires for the car that I certainly would like to give to the new owner. Leather's not worn. Of course, it wouldn't be. Garage kept. Look at the nice carpet. Soft top is good. Leathers are good. Door cards are crisp. Instrumentation works. Clutch feels good. There's that 6,400 miles. Of course, the dash is nice. Car starts well. Let me see if I can't start it here while and we are going to go for a drive. There it is. Started right up. Beautiful, beautiful condition. Everything's crisp, sharp. All the stickers are on the car, including under the hood. Unmolested engine compartment. Again, original stickers are all there. We've photographed all these stickers, and we've photographed the undercarriage of the car. No rust, of course. Paint is spectacular, as you would expect it to be. Original sticker with the color codes. Tools are with the car, original spare wheel. Everything is clean and tidy, sharp. We'll go for it. So this is a 6,400 mile car, and it drives like a brand new car from 1981. April 81 production car. Clutch feels wonderful. Car's had a nice life. Garage kept.